You don't. Oh, hello. And so you don't normally see seagulls on the ground waiting for me. We'll change of tack today. Can you see the halo? So what happens is, my cunning plan, I don't think they'll eat this. What we'll do, so I've got some cheesy bread for them. I think if I put the suet out here, the crows will have the suet, right? And we'll drag the seagulls into a big space in the middle, wind them all up with cheesy bread. See, this is not really where we were going yet, lads. This is where we're going. You paying attention yet? See? Crows are on the peanuts. And I think we can fob the seagulls off over here. Oh, there they are. Right, and they all go round that way round. Keep going, lads. Right, keep going. I need to throw it a bit further. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Get them against the sky where they show up the best. Look at that! Keep going the same way, for goodness sake. What we need is subtitles to say laughter. One guy on his own there. Oh, these guys are on the peanuts, look, on the suet. I need to throw some bigger bits to get your attention, don't I, really? Seagulls crashing into each other. Oh. There you go, seagull halo. Oh look, and these guys are joining in now. Are they coming this way or are they going that way? I can't tell. I think they're settled for the suet. Let me put a bit more suet, shall we? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is peanuts. It's not suet at all. You see? I've got pasta. Boiled, right? Excuse me. See that? And pasta. That's more cooking than I normally do. And it they don't even know it's pasta yet. I tried doing popcorn. It melted my plate. It's like, oh. I have to do that on the hob in some sort of cast iron. I think they're going for it because it shows up, not because it's great food. Steady on. Trying to weigh all of these seagulls down with pasta so they can't fly this afternoon. Right, that'll do, that'll do. Let's give it to some more guys. Crow's looking a bit disappointed in the back there, I think.